this afternoon, mostly sunny with a chance of showers with a slight chance of thunderstorms. Near steady. The National Weather Service in Columbia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central Fairfield County in central South Carolina, southern Lancaster County in central South Carolina, Lee County in central South Carolina, southwestern Chesterfield County in central South Carolina, northwestern Sumter County in central South Carolina, east central Richland County in central South Carolina, Kershaw County in central South Carolina, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:51 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Lake Wateree State Park to near Camden to near Oakland, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Sumter, Camden, Bishopville, Shaw Air Base, Lake Wateree Dam, Kershaw, Heath Springs, Lugoff, Oakland, Liberty Hill, Lake Wateree State Park, Westville, Cassett, Elliott, Lee State Park, Montana Pisgah, Longtown, Sumter County Airport, Goodale State Park, and McBee. This includes Interstate 20 in South Carolina between mile markers 91 and 126. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. And now taking a look at the forecast for Florence and the surrounding area.